Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you may know, from time to time, we talk about certain shitcoins as investment opportunities and especially as gambles. So right now, I have a thought of Luna having transformed from a big cap to almost a shitcoin because of what's going on. And if you don't know what's going on, you have to watch this video over here because that's where we explain what's going on. But right now, to sum this up, we have seen Luna go from, let's see, $120 to 47 cents, which is a huge drop of around 97%. So Luna has lost almost all its value. So when this happens with shitcoins, it's expected. And right now, there's a couple of reasons why I see Luna as a shitcoin, and I mean a little bit above a shitcoin. But here's the thing: with shitcoins, there's a potential upside of a big number of X in your investment, and I will be speaking about potentially 20xing your investment in Luna, but as a shitcoin, guys, not as a big market cap token. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you haven't watched my shitcoin investment video, I have a strategy on that, and you will find that on that corner of the screen. So from time to time, I do invest in shitcoins. Some people in my channel ask for information about these opportunities. Shitcoins are really risky, guys, and most times they will go eventually to zero. But if you invest at the appropriate times, you can easily 2x, 5x, and even 10x your money with shitcoins. Now, Luna is not a shitcoin yet. It still has a use case, and the use case is to stabilize UST. So if this happens eventually, because they are working, Terra Labs is working on stabilizing UST, and this mechanism of Luna and UST balancing each other out is regained, then the potential for an upside is huge. So I'm going to be showing you my screen and showing you why I think this is going to happen and what is my strategy for investing in Luna. Again, guys, as a gamble. And I have to say, I'm not a financial advisor, so take everything I say here as with a grain of salt. Do your own research. I'm just telling you what I see, the interesting opportunity I see here, and if you want to, follow along, do your own research. But there's a potential for this to go to zero, but potentially there's an upside of at least 20x. So let's see the browser and follow along. So to understand what I'm seeing, I want to show you what I'm seeing. This is a graph of Luna. So a few days ago, we were at 120. So this was on April 9th. So this was a month ago. Then we dropped, Bitcoin started dropping. We dropped to $94. So that's where it was, yeah, like last week. And then we dropped. Right now, we started dropping because everything that happened with Luna, and if you don't know what's going on, you have to watch that video I'm going to place over there. And then we're dropping and dropping and dropping for the last hour. And it went from 90 cents to 45 cents. And the reason I think it's interesting to consider as a shitcoin is we are in the last 24 hours at a 96% drop of value. So, and Qcoin for some reason has Luna at 50 cents. Over here is at 40 cents. So there's a discrepancy. But anyway, so it's even worse. What I want you to see, guys, is we might hit a support level, and that support level might make the price of Luna bounce. So here's what I'm seeing, and to show you that, I'm going to zoom in and show you, because otherwise it's so hard to see because the price has been so way up. There we go. So you can see here a support level of around 30 cents a dollar. So right now we have not reached that, and while you think there's not much difference between 42 cents and $30 and 30 cents, that's like a 25% drop. I mean, imagine earning 25% in the bank. That would be a huge amount of interest, right, guys? So here's my idea, and this again, guys, this is a shitcoin investment strategy. I have placed a purchase order at 30 cents because I think it's really easy that we'll see a bounce from 30 cents to 45 cents, and that's a 50% increase. So but more than that, guys, there's so much upside to this trade that I mean, I wouldn't mind if I invest $15, which is part of my shitcoin investment strategy. I don't invest more than I would spend in Starbucks with a coffee and a meal. So that's around $15. It used to be $10. Now with inflation, it's around $15. That's what I would bet on this trade. So I have placed an order at 30 cents and another one just in case at 10 cents, which is, haven't even seen the price of Luna go that low. So $15 here, $15 down here. If we hit 10 cents, I'm sure we're going to see it recover to 30 cents. So that's a 3x. And this is all a gamble. So if I do lose this floor, then I'll recoup that when it hits 10 cents, if it ever does. So the other thing is we have been seeing UST. So this is the critical component to this strategy. We have been seeing the price of UST. Oh, I don't know why. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is just, give me 1 second, guys. For some reason, TradingView is not showing me the lowest low of UST today, which was 20 cents. But we reached over here and then we went back to 70 cents. So whatever Do Kwon is doing and Terra Labs are doing, it's kind of working. It's no longer at a critical level. I mean, it's low. It's 30% below what it should be. But we are seeing, and I want to show you this. So every time UST hits for the last few hours, it hits 70 cents, it bounces up again and it reaches 85 cents and then it goes back down. But if you see this green thingies down here, these bars, almost imperceptible, it means that they are doing something and it's working. So potentially if this peg is regained, it goes back to 1, and they have a big team and a lot of connections with Silicon Valley investors. I think we can potentially regain the $1 peg. And that happened to USDN not so long ago, which is a very unknown stablecoin I used to invest in because I had a bot on KuCoin that used this token. It happened to them and then it regained the peg, almost regained the peg 3-4 days after it lost its peg and it went down to 60 cents. So if this happens, then here's the thing. Right now we're at 40, we're close to reaching 30 cents. We could potentially see the price of Luna going back to potentially 30 cents. I mean, this is a strong ceiling, 33 cents. I'm sorry, $33. But let's say $30 is achievable if they regain the peg. So if you buy at 30 cents and actually sell at $3, that's a 10x. If you sell at $30, if this ever happens, then that's 100x. So I am more than willing to spend $15 and 100xing it, risking it to get to $30, because that would make my $15 be worth 1,500 if that ever happens. So I will place a purchase. Well, I have placed a purchase order here, purchase order at 10 cents, and I will be placing, once it happens, a sell order at $30. And I don't mind if it goes to 0. I don't mind losing $30. But if it 100x's, then I'll be more than happy to trade my Starbucks meal for a laptop or whatever you can buy with $1,500. So I hope this was useful to you. This is just a strategy as a shitcoin, not as a traditional big cap. So this is a wholly different video than all those serious ones I speak in this channel. But if it was useful to you or entertaining, do like this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more how to invest like a Silicon Valley venture capitalist does. Yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye now.